Costa Rica, known for its stunning landscapes and hospitality, is also a popular destination for those seeking a perfect smile. Introducing Mario Garita MP, the dental experience, your dental tourism destination in Costa Rica. I'm your host, Dr. Mario Garita. We have created a place where natural beauty meets world-class dental care. Spaces designed specifically for your well-being and comfort. Over 30 years of changing lives and restoring our patients' smiles. All our team members are dental professionals who are fully bilingual, have extensive experience and international training, the best possible dental care. We stay at the forefront of dental technology. We use state-of-the-art equipment to offer precise diagnosis and treatment plans. Our materials and tools are the same as those used by doctors in the US. We understand that each patient is unique. That's why we offer personalized treatments that adapt to the individual needs and desires of each patient. We will assist you with logistics so that you don't have to worry about anything during your trip. We strive to provide our patients with an amazing experience in Costa Rica. Ready to have the smile of your dreams in a tropical paradise? Contact us to discover the best dental care with an unforgettable tourist experience.